वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। माइंड पोर्टल के क्यूज वीडियो में हम जो आज क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये आपके अपकमिंग बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए हेल्पफुल है। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। ऑल्सो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग क्यूज वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। Which state has become the first in India to launch e-voting through mobile application for municipal body elections? Option 1 Uttarakhand, Option 2 Jharkhand, Option 3 Haryana, and Option 4 Bihar. And the correct answer is Option 4 Bihar. Which ministry has launched the Safai Apnao Bimari Bhagao campaign from 1st to 31st July 2025? Option 1 Ministry of Urban Development, Option 2 Ministry of Rural Development, Option 3 Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and Option 4 Ministry of Panchayati Raj. And the correct answer is Option 3 Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Which Indian player won the United States Open Badminton title 2025? Option 1 Ayush Sethi, Option 2 Lakshya Sen, Option 3 HS Parnoy, and Option 4 Chirag Sethi. And the correct answer is Option 1 Ayush Sethi. Which day is absorbed as goods and service tax day every year? Option 1 1 July, Option 2 2 July, Option 3 3 July, and Option 4 4 July. And the correct answer is Option 1 1 July. In which district half marathon was organized to promote a drug-free Bihar? Option 1 Muzaffarpur, Option 2 East Champaran, Option 3 Patna, and Option 4 Bhagalpur. And the correct answer is Option 3 Patna. In which year Bihar State Electricity Board was established? Option 1 1970, Option 2 1960, Option 3 1958, and Option 4 1944. And the correct answer is Option 3 1958. Which of the following agriculture's product of Bihar has GI tag? 1 Bhagalpuri Jardalu, 2 Katarni rice, 3 Maghai pan, and 4 Sahi Lichi. Option 1 only 1 and 2, Option 2 only 1, 2 and 3, Option 3 only 2, 3 and 4, and Option 4 all 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the correct answer is Option 4 all 1, 2, 3 and 4. In which year first fleet of Dutch raised in India? Option 1 1498, Option 2 1510, Option 3 1550, Option 4 1595. And the correct answer is Option 4 1595. Swaraj Party was formed after the failure of which of the following movements? Option 1 Quit India Movement, Option 2 Satyagraha Movement, Option 3 Non-Corporation Movement, and Option 4 Civil Disobedience Movement. And the correct answer is Option 3 Non-Corporation Movement. In which district Valmiki Nagar National Park is located? Option 1 West Champaran, Option 2 Saran, Option 3 Vaisali, and Option 4 Bhagalpur. And the correct answer is Option 1 West Champaran. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस परचेज कर सकते हैं।